Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving another excellent question from the Engineering Services Examination 2026 Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Part 1, Paper 1. And one thing I always tell my students is this, like ESE never ask only what is it. It asks why does it happen and how can you solve it. And this question is a perfect example. It combines the computer organization, digital electronics and the interrupt handling. So if you understand today's concept, you will be able to solve similar questions in the examinations. Okay. Now, before jumping to the answer, let us imagine a real life example. Suppose your classroom has 5 students. Okay. And suddenly all 5 raise their hands at exactly the same time. So can you answer everyone simultaneously? No, you must first decide whom should I answer first as a teacher, right? So exactly the same problem occurs inside a computer. Many devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, disk, network interface can request CPU service simultaneously. And these requests are called the interrupt request, IR. Okay, and the CPU cannot serve all of them at once. It must select only one device first. So IO priority handling is the mechanism that decides which requesting device gets you CPU attention first. And without priority handling, multiple devices would complete for the CPU, causing confusion and incorrect servicing. Okay, now comes the actual question. Why can the system choose an incorrect device? The answer is very simple. Suppose we connect all interrupt lines directly to an ordinary encoder, and the ordinary encoder assumes only one input is high at a time. But imagine device A is high, device B is high, and device C is high. All together, now the encoder becomes confused because the multiple inputs are active simultaneously, right? So its output becomes unpredictable, ambiguous, or even incorrect. So hence CPU may serve the wrong device. Okay, so what is the reason? An ordinary encoder cannot, uniquely identify one device when multiple interrupt requests occurs simultaneously. So hence an incorrect device may be selected. Okay, now does the CPU make the mistakes? No, the CPU simply obeys the interrupt identification circuit. If the identification circuit gives the wrong output, the CPU faithfully services the wrong device. So the real problem lies in the priority resolution hardware, not in the processor. Okay. Now, what is the solution? The question asks us to suggest a suitable priority encoding method, and the correct answer is the priority encoder. Unlike an ordinary encoder, a priority encoder assigns a fixed priority to every input. For example, suppose we have 4 devices, IR3, IR2, IR1 and IR0. And the priority is IR3 is greater than IR2, this is greater than IR1 and this is greater than IR0. Okay, so if IR3 and IR1 become active together, the encoder ignores IR1 and outputs only IR3. So thus the highest priority device is always selected. Now, how does a priority encoder work? Suppose IR3, this is 1, IR2, this is 1, IR1, this is 1 and IR0. This is also 1. An ordinary encoder gets confused, but a priority encoder immediately says like highest priority is IR3. Output becomes binary code for 3, no ambiguity, no incorrect servicing. Okay, so priority encoder is a combinational circuit that accepts the multiple active inputs, automatically selects the highest priority input, ignores all lower priority requests and generates the binary code corresponding to the highest priority device. Okay. So, why incorrect device selection occurs? Multiple I/O devices may generate interrupt requests simultaneously. An order encoder assumes only one active input and multiple active inputs produce the ambiguous outputs, and therefore the CPU may identify the wrong interrupt source. Okay, so use a priority decoder because it assigns the fixed priorities, resolves the simultaneous request, selects only the highest priority interrupt, generates the correct binary code and prevents the incorrect device selection. Okay, so priority encoder is not only the interrupt handling method. In the computer organization, we generally study four methods: software polling, daisy chaining, parallel priority interrupt, and the priority encoder. And among these, priority encoder provides faster operation, automatic priority resolution, hardware based decision making, and hence it is widely used in the modern interrupt controllers. Okay. So when multiple I/O devices request service simultaneously, an ordinary encoder cannot distinguish the multiple active inputs and producing the ambiguous outputs. So as a result, the CPU may identify and service an incorrect device. And what is the suitable method? A priority encoder should be used. It assigns the fixed priorities to all the interrupt lines and always selects the highest priority active request while ignoring the lower priority request. And this ensures that the correct device is always selected for servicing. Okay, so today's question teaches a very important engineering principle, and whenever the multiple events compete for a shared resource, a priority resolution mechanism is essential. And in the computer science system, that mechanism is the priority encoder, which guarantees the deterministic and correct interrupt servicing. So if you remember this concept, you will be well prepared for the examination for this question. Okay.